guys, so I have another swap reveal, and this reveal is from Robin, and Robin is on Instagram, and I think her her handle on Instagram is Crafty Nurse RN or Crafty RN, but I will of course put her info in the description bar like I do everyone's. And I'm still opening up her swap. Oh boy. Okay, so we have quite a few items in here. My goodness. Hold on, she put tape. She's got stuff on the items here. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so let's see if there's anything that says my name. Instructions. I think it looks like she has two of the same slots. So let me just double check. Oh my gosh, she made so much stuff, you guys. Yeah, she did. She made me one. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's see. It says open me. Okay, so I think this is for her swap partner. Okay, yeah, so she made two of the same swap. I think two of the same swaps. Yeah. Because that's that's a purse. Yeah, this goes with this. Okay, so that'll make it easy peasy. Okay, so it says open me here. Let's see. And look at this. Look how pretty this is. Yeah, Crafty Heart RN. Oh, she's on YouTube too and Instagram. Okay, so I'll make sure that I put her YouTube handle in the title, and she did make me one. That is so nice. It says open me right here. She has everything like taped up, so it's not easy to get into, but let's see. Just want to make sure this is for me before I do anything to it. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, let's see. Yes, hey Lisa. Okay. Oh my gosh, I was like, I don't want to mess anything up just in case. You know, I don't want to ever mess up any of you guys' slaps, you know. So she made this card that she made sure is not going anywhere, honey. Okay, I don't want it to rip this. Okay, so here we go. So we have a card here. And it says open me. So it's like a little card that she put her items in here, and it says, hey Lisa, thanks so much for hosting and allowing me to be a part of this swap. She said she chose a paper collection that she fell in love with when she first started paper crafting. It sings to heart. Love the jewel tones, and one of my favorite colors, purple. The collection is called Violet Leaf by DCW, circa 2012. Oh my gosh. Okay, so she talked about her items, which I will get to, and yeah, Robin. So yes, Robin is Crafty Heart RN. So I will make sure I put all of her socials in the description bar. And let me just open this up and take these goodies out of here. It's so sweet of her. Look at this sweet treat. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then there's two of the same exact thing. She used this die, which this is a KS Craft die. Okay, so I want to take everything out of the plastic first so that we can get all of the plastic out of the video. Okay. All right, so we have this cutie patootie right here, and then these are also wrapped up. I know when I'm opening plastic, you guys can't hear me, so I try not to talk and open at the same time. This stuff is so cute. Oh my gosh, she made so many 3D items. Okay, all right, here we go. So let me put this to the side, and I want to keep her info here so that we could see it. Okay, so she used so many of her favorite dies to make all of these fun 3D items. So let me show you. First, she has this little cutesy purse, you guys. Look how cute this purse is. Oh my gosh, look at all the like layering that she did. And she has her little handle back here that has all of her info. And how stinking cute is this? Oh my gosh, it is adorable. And this like slides. So like it slides closed. This is so cute, girl. What kind of die is this? Tonic? I don't know whose die. This is so cute, and it opens, and there's like a little bow inside. Oh, this bow is so pretty too. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite. This little bedazzled gem is one of my absolutely favorite things to craft with. Did you get this recently? Because I need to know, because Hobby Lobby used to sell ones like this, and they don't anymore. Michael's sells some similar, so I don't know if you got this at Michael's, but can you tell me where you got these? These are like my absolute favorite, and they're kind of a little bit harder to find now. But yeah, she has this really pretty die. That's a bow die here. And it has like a little, like some, you know, little trim on both sides, like this little mesh that's underneath on both sides. So pretty. I love putting a little bow in here. How cute is this? This bow would be cute on the outside too. Like it would have been cute as the little item here to go up and down. This is so cool how you did this. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, so that's one of her 3D dies that she did. I know so many people are intimidated by 3D projects, but I find them to be extremely fun also. And then look at this. This looks like a treasure chest. It's like another cute purse. And this one stays on by magnets. And look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, I got a little bit banged up. So let me straighten it out a little bit. Got banged up in the mail. As they do, you know. So how cute is this? So there has these little straps right here. She put these little things that look like, you know, little embellishments and pieces that go with it. Then she has this little thing that says amazing. There's this little gold rose right here, this flower, these cute little bows. And when you open it up, there's another bow in here. There's two. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of bows in here. Wait. You guys, look how many bows are in here. So they have this big one, which is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I love it. There's so many like unique things here that I haven't seen. This bow here, which is like a double bow. And then all these little cutesy ones. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I love this little rose center too. Oh my goodness, I'm going to put it with these bows in here. I'm going to put it with my other bows over here. So cute. And then of course, what purse? Another purse. This looks like a little wallet. This is so cute. So look how cute this is. I love this so much. Oh my goodness, it is adorable. And this one is with Velcro, a Velcro closure. And then this one opens all the way up. And look, inside she has more bows. So cute. Look at this bow. So this one has like some trim and it has a little foam flower in the center here. And it's another one of those like double bows. I would have put it in my bow bag right here. I love it. It's adorable. And then look at this. Another purse, you guys. Do we see a theme? She loves the purses. Hold on. Let me straighten this out a little bit. We got a little bit beat up. The mail beats the things up. Look how cute this is, you guys. Look how cute. Like, adorable. And look at this little, like, mesh right here. And then she has this bling. I love this thing that's around this. Is it a brad? It's so cute. It's almost like one of those staples. I love that. Can you tell us where you got this one from too? It's so pretty. And oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, let me open it. I have to open up the straps first. Look what's in there. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I need to put my purse. All my purses. I love purses too in real life. Like in real life, I love purses too much, actually. I am a designer purse girl. Oh my gosh. And they're reminiscent. I love Chanel. I love like little old lady bags. Okay, that's my favorite. So look how cute this is. This is more of that ribbon. And then one of these little hearts from Michael's. These pretty flowers, which these little roses that you have to tell us where you got this from. And then these are little like crafting items. So she loves bling, sparkle, and sequins and shakers. So she actually added some sequins, which are one of her favorite things. And then look at these. These are like little these are like dots, like epoxy kind of dots. So you can put them on top of projects to like decorate with them. They're sticky, and then you like put them on a project, and they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them. So these are her two crafting items. Oh my gosh, I see something that I desperately need. Oh my gosh, I just saw it. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. So we have that. Oh my gosh, girl, you like saved my life. Okay, literally. I'm going to tell you why in a second. Look at this big, grand Sweet Treats box. Please tell us where you got these items from. They're so cute. So this, she has, it like opens, and then it opens at the top, and she put her favorite sweet treat, and she says, as far as sweet treats go, her all-time favorite is chocolate, but her new favorite is Sour Patches. So she gave both, okay? She gave the Hershey's milk chocolate, and she has it like taped on to these Sour Patch Kids. Both are so yummy. Thank you so much. I'm going to love having these, and my boys are going to enjoy the Sour Patches, especially because they love sour candy. But look at this box. Okay, let's talk about this box. So cute. So I don't know if she just like made the box or if it's a die, but I love it. So that is right there. And then our notebook. Oh, I didn't want to look at it. Look how cute it is. I didn't want to look at it before I was like surprised by it. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. She made it into a shaker. So I think it looks like she used a fuse tool, or, hold on. No, she used a fuse tool. She fused it together. Okay, so she said, let's see, for hugs to you, crafter's choice. Yeah, okay, so crafter's choice, next favorite would be bows. So she made her a lot of bows to make and use as embellishments. Get ready to see those too. And then, yeah, so she made a notebook she like put a bow on the inside and then put like sequins all around it, these pretty sequins, and then like this little notes thing. How pretty is this? And put it on this. And I wonder, I think she made this notebook. Yeah, she did. So she used the cinch. And then she put blank sheets, which are my favorite. I love blank sheets. Blank sheets, dot grid, and graph paper are my favorite. So look how cute that is. So cute. And then you guys, look at this powder tool. I need this so bad. Look at my tool. It's right here. I use it constantly. But do you see how there's like a hole? Can you see that there's a hole in here? Hold on. Yes, you can. So that means that when I use this, all the powder just like comes out. You see how it's like just pouring out? It's not supposed to use that. The brush is gone. And I just last night was like, gosh, I need another one. And look what I got today. Oh my gosh, girl, you saved my life. I use this thing constantly. I just used so much of it and it made a mess of my desk because the powder was going everywhere. So she said she loves her powder tool for embossing and unsticking. I cannot even, but look at this. This is a KS Craft die. And I think this was on here. Oh no, this was on the packaging. Look how cute it is. I like this die a lot. It's so cute. And it holds so much stuff. And you could just like hold it up like this. So anyway, she has like some goodies in here. Oh my gosh. I do not have these. Okay, so she has this ergonomic scissors, and she says that these are her fussy cutting spring-loaded scissors that she loves. And then these are her favorite, part of her favorite. Okay, so she used, so this is so funny because this is something in here is magnetic because these are sticking to it. So let us find out together. This is one of her favorite crafting tools too. And she said that it is actually a, so cute, a magnetic bowl. And look at this, it's a magnetic bowl. It's like, you know, in like it has a rubber on the bottom, so it'll stay. It's heavy too, it's heavy duty. So she said the magnetic bowl is for dies to keep them found. And then she has dies in here to keep found. She has these KS Craft dies, which I do not have these, girl. Thank you so much. I don't have these Happy Mail dies. These say, this is like pen, they're called Happy Mail. And they say like, you know, pen pal. I think I have the one that's for like swapping. But that one just has like rosettes, you know, that kind of stuff. But I don't have this one. And I just saw somebody use this in a swap. And I was like, oh my gosh, I got to get those. And I love these. So they say Happy Mail, Pen Pal, Hug, Snail Mail. And look how they stick on here. And it has Open Me and it has Pen Pal. Oh my gosh. This is paper hugs, not pen pal hugs, and this says pen pal. But like they stay, so it's like, you know how you're always like losing stuff? This is so good, so good. I think this is gonna become one of my favorite things too. I don't have one, so I'm definitely gonna be like using it. And oh my gosh, that is so sweet. You were so generous with your tools. Oh my goodness gracious. And all of these projects, so many projects you went above and beyond. Robin, thank you so much for being in my swap. It has been so good to meet you. So you guys, make sure you go follow Robin on YouTube. I'll put her info in the title of this video for YouTube. Oh my gosh, I just hit it with my bracelet. This actually would be good. I mean, these are not magnetic, obviously, but it would be nice to like keep this would be cute as like a little you know, like a little ring dish, a little ring jar. You can use it for different things. Like if you don't use a lot of small dies, or you already have something for that. I mean, obviously your rings, if they're real, they're not gonna stick to this. But this is like a cute little trinket, like a trinket tray. You can put your beads and stuff in here too. I started thinking about all kind of stuff you can do with this. Anyway, guys, thank you, Robin, so much for being in this swap. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment and let Robin know about all of her pretty stuff, and head over to her channel to subscribe. And if you want to see more of this swap as well as the others, we are almost at the last. This is the second to last swap. You can watch almost every single one by going into the description bar. Right below Robin's Instagram, there is going to be a link, and it's going to be a playlist to all of the videos that we have been doing. I'm so sad to see this swap come to an end, but I will see you in the next one, which will be our last one. And then I will do a reveal of stuff I've been making with my favorite collection. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.